everybody, my name is Jennifer. This is circuit training. It's a quick 4 exercise video that works your entire body, also cardio. Each exercise is going to be 50 seconds followed by 10 seconds of break. If you haven't already done so, make sure you got in a good warm-up, some active stretching. I'll show modifications throughout, so be sure to listen to your body and do whatever feels best for you. We'll go ahead and get started. The first exercise is jumping jacks in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So jumping jacks are just stepping your feet out to the side. If you want to modify, you can step. If you need a lower impact version, this is probably what I would recommend as well. So just stepping your legs out to the side. If you're a pro and you want to take it up a notch, you're right here. If you want a higher version, you can cross your legs. So there's a lot of different variations for jumping jacks. I like to do cross jacks sometimes. Sometimes I like just the regular old jumping jack. When I was pregnant, I felt uncomfortable doing jumping jacks, so I did jumping jacks like this. Pick your pleasure. It's your workout. Just make sure you breathe the whole time. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a break. So we got pendulum squats next. You're going to squat down, lift one leg, squat down, lift the other leg. Work your outer hip and leg. I'll turn to the side. So you squat, knees in line with ankle, chest lifts, leg. Let's go, y'all. All right. Turn back, regular. All right, so this is a higher version. If you want to add a baby squat, you can kind of do that. Stick your butt out just a little bit. You don't have to come very far down in a squat to feel it. Or you can take out the squat altogether and just do pendulum legs. Working your outer hip and legs, feeling that all through there. And I'm going to go back to the squats. Sometimes I like to add my arms, pick it up a little bit more. Squatting down. We got 5 seconds left. Make it a good 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, take a break. We're going to hit the deck. We're going to do plank push-ups next. I'm going to roll up my mat. You'll start in a forearm plank. Let's go. Up, up, down, down. Switch. Up, up, down, down. So this is a higher mod. Yes, it also works the abs, but we're focusing on arms right now. If you want to come down on your knees, you can do that too. Up, up, down, down. So I'm just going right, left, and then left, right, left, right. So alternating which arm I'm doing the push-up with. Engage your core and make sure you're breathing. We got 8 seconds left. Feeling good. 3, 2, 1. All right. Unroll your mat. Last exercise, you come down. It's bicycles. So bicycles work your abs, all parts of the abs. Bring your knees in and twist. Let's go. So you're twisted. You're trying to bring your shoulder to your opposite knee, reaching across. The farther down your legs go, the harder it's gonna be. So if you want a lower impact, you can come and bring your legs up and bring your arms into prayer and do kind of a mini twist. So not a full twist, but still engaging your abs, still working the core, but it's not as intense. If you want a full on go, try to open your arms wide, try to get your shoulder to your opposite knee. Breathe, y'all. We got 3 seconds left. 2, 1. Good job. Grab one leg, roll yourself up. Stand up. Take a deep breath, inhale up. Come to your tippy toes. Thank you guys for coming. My name was Jennifer. This is circuit training. I hope you do a good cool down. Make sure you do that. Get some stretching in there, or if this is part of another workout, get the other workout in and join me next time. Thank you.